Meet the 10 best free VS Code extensions of 2026. Every single one is free. No paid plans, no accounts, no limits. Install these first, and your editor instantly works like a professional tool. Let us walk through them, step by step.
Press Ctrl+Shift+X or click the Extensions icon in the activity bar. The Extensions view opens. Type what you need in the search box. Every result shows 4 things: the icon, the publisher, the install count, and a 5-star rating. Click any result to read the details page. Read the row before you install.
Before you click Install, check the publisher. Anyone can publish an extension to the marketplace. A fake copy of Material Icon theme was found hiding malware, with over 16,000 installs. So match the publisher exactly. Pkeef is real. Icon Keef app is not. Install count is not proof of safety.
One click installs the extension. Watch the progress bar fill. When it is done, the Install button becomes a gear icon. The gear opens the menu, where you can disable the extension or uninstall it completely. You can also manage updates from here. Experiment freely. Nothing is permanent.
Here's the #1 beginner problem. Where's my error? Error lens prints the message right on the line, in red. The gutter shows an icon and the status bar counts the problems. Fix the typo and everything turns green instantly. You never have to hunt for errors again.
Pow! Prettier formats your code with one shortcut. Shift-Alt-F messy HTML becomes clean in a flash. Then set the default formatter and turn on Format on Save. From now on, every save fixes your formatting for you. Prettier covers HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON, and Markdown. For Python, use the black formatter instead.
Material Icon theme gives every file type its own icon. No more gray squares in your Explorer. Open the command palette and run. Material Icons activate Icon theme. Your files become scannable at a glance. Over 35 million developers use it.
A typo in a variable name can break your code. Code Spell Checker underlines it with a blue squiggle. Press Ctrl and the period key. Pick the right spelling or add the word to your dictionary. Your own words stay remembered. Typos caught the moment you type them.
GitLens answers the question every developer asks: who changed this line? Inline blame shows the author and the time right next to the code. Git CodeLens adds context above each function. Hover for the full commit message. The community version is completely free.
Right-click your HTML file and choose Open with Live Server, or click Go Live in the status bar. A local server starts on port 5500. Your browser opens the page instantly. Now edit the heading, save, and watch the browser refresh itself. This is the fastest way to build web pages.
Rename an opening tag and the closing tag follows automatically. Div becomes section on both sides at the same moment. A connector shows the pair. No more mismatched tags. No more broken layouts. This tiny tool saves hours.
Tipping file paths from memory causes broken images and missing files. Path Intellisense completes paths for you. Type a // and it lists your folders and files. Pick one, and the path is always correct. No typos, no guesswork.
Need to test an API? REST client does it right inside VS Code. Write a request in a .http file. Click Send Request. The response appears in a panel with the status code and formatted JSON. It is fully free with no account and no limits. Postman not required.
Better Comments color codes your annotations. Toto is orange. Fix Me is red. Exclamation marks highlight alerts. Question marks flag open questions. And struck through gray means dead code. Your comments become a visual map of the codebase.
6 more tools worth knowing. ESLint, import cost, black. TotoTree, bookmarks, and peacock. And 3 to skip, bracket pair colorizer. Built into VS Code now, the old Copilot extension deprecated. And never trust a clone. Always check the publisher.
Start with these 10. All free, all verified for 2026. Keep them updated and sync your setup across machines. Install them today and your editor levels up immediately. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.